children, today we are going to start with chapter 7, that is We the People. So in this chapter, you study about the festival, religions of India, languages that are spoken, the dress which is worn, melodious music of India, and dignified dances of India. So India is a country of many religion, culture, and tradition. So we should come to know that it is an ancient land that was called the Golden Bird. And let's know about India, its culture and tradition. First is festival. Festival means a special day that brings joys and happiness to us. Various types of festival are celebrated in India. We enjoy festival in our homes and neighborhood every year. Many religious, harvest and national festival are celebrated. And if we talk about religious festival, we have Dashera, which is known as Vijayadashmi. Ramlila, an enactment of the life of Lord Ram that is held during 9 days preceding Dashera. Effigies of Raman and his brother are burned in an open ground on the last day of the festival. Bengalis, what they celebrate? Durga Puja, the immense idols of goddess Durga in water on the day of Dashera. If we talk about social reality, so Vijayadashmi, that is Durga Puja, is the most important festival of Bengalis all over the. Now Diwali, it is also known as Festival of Light. It commences exactly 20 days after Dashera on Amavasya New Moon. It is on the Diwali day that the Lord Ram returned to his capital Ayodhya after on the exile of 14 years, and people clean and decorate their homes. They worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. They wear new clothes and light candle lamps, and people exchange gifts, and what they offer sweets also. Now Eid al-Fitr, important festival of Muslims. The long period of fasting is called Ramzan, and on these Muslims go to mosque, they offer nawaz. A sweet dish called Sivai is prepared. If we talk about Holi, what it is the festival of color. What it's bring? Summer season in India. People exchange greetings. A bonfire is lit on the prior night of Holi, which is the symbol of destruction of demons of Holika. On next day, what happened? People play with water, color and hula. What people prepare? A delicious sweet dish called gunjia and other sweets. Now Guru Parv, it is celebrated by Sikhs, and Guru Parv is celebrated on the birthday of Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev. What Sikh wear? They wear new clothes and participate in a huge procession on this day. They go to Gurudwara and pray, and people also eat common community meal called langar over there. They even serve sarbat to travel on the roadside. आपने देखा होगा रोड साइड पे जब लोग चलते हैं तो उनको शरबत प्रोवाइड करते हैं. Christmas, which is celebrated on 25th December, it's the birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, what happens? Children sing carols and they decorate a Christmas tree and Santa Claus. We feel that Santa Claus will come and give gifts to them. We have Pongal, which is harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Bihu, harvest festival of Assam. Onam of Kerala. Baisakhi of Punjab. Right? The other festival we celebrate is Mahavir Jayanti, Budh Purnima and Raksha Bandhan. These are the other festivals. Now, beside these festivals, we also celebrate national festival. In Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. Independence Day 15th August, Gandhi Jayanti. Birth anniversary है महात्मा गांधी की 2nd October. Now we have religions of India. Religion is an important part of Indian tradition. India is a land of many religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Hinduism क्या है? Main religion of India. And the Bhagavad Gita and the Ramayana is the holy book, and Quran is the holy book of Muslim. Or Guru Granth Sahib kiski आपकी 6. Right? Language of India, if we talk about, basically we have 22 official language and Hindi is the official language. And the Assamese, Bengali, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, your Nepali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarat, Hindi, Manipuri, Uriya, Punjab, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindh, Tamil, Telugu, all these are 22 languages that are spoken in it. Now, charming dresses. India has a tropical climate. That is why in most of the part of India, people wear dress according to the season. Right? Where like women in Rajasthan wear plaited skirt with ghagra, the blouse that they wear along the ghagra is so. What they cover their heads with only dupatta. Women और क्या पहनते हैं? सलवार कमीज. And men in the village wear long piece of called dhoti. They also put a turban. On other hands, men somewhere they also wear kurta, lungi, pajama. Shirts and trousers are worn by men in urban area. Now, melodious music of India. There are 2 classical traditions. Hindustani, North Indian, Karnataka, South Indian. Right? We have instruments like sitar, sarod, sarangi. tanpura, veena, violin, tabla, and jal, tarang, dholak, flute, and chennai. Now, dignified dances of India. We have Bharatnatyam as a classical dance of India, which is originated in Tamil Nadu. Kathak, popular dance form of North India. Kathakali is a dance drama of Kerala. Manipuri is a dance form of Manipur. Odissi kiska hai? Uriyaga, right? These dances depict episodes from the life of Lord Vishnu, Lord Krishna. We have Buihu, Bhangra, Garba, Dandiya as a popular folk dance over. Right, this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.